It's questionable whether there's any point in going abroad at the moment. We're on to the tip of a heat wave that should last several days. No surprise for those staying and watching the Commonwealth Games that Manchester's skies cleared after the morning cloud, and it's now fine and warm, will be for the rest of the afternoon. Manchester, of course, wasn't alone. Virtually all of England and Wales, as you can see, has seen the cloud disperse, and our fakely green ground is being shone upon by the sun. But Scotland and Northern Ireland are not yet involved. Quite obviously so. Mostly temperatures are only about 15 to 17 degrees. But for the eastern side of Scotland, Aberdeen should hit 21. And if you go to the eastern side of Northern Ireland, Bangor should be up to about 21 as well. A limited thing. And this is likely to last throughout the weekend. Equally, there are some parts of England and Wales where the cloud is going to be a bit difficult to disperse. Just makes it more interesting to find the sunshine. Should burn through. Many places inland in Cornwall and Devon will see hot sunshine. But a lot of cloud and mist is going to plague everywhere else. And this is also true around the Irish sea coast, so I think less so, far less so, around the North Sea coast, where the sea breezes will be pleasantly cooler. And sea breezes tell an interesting tale because they'll knock the pollen count down. The pollen index is quite high inland, the potential is good for England and Wales, but of course not around the seasides, where the temperature will be a bit lower and the pollen much lower. Now temperatures, as I said, aren't high everywhere, but we are starting this heat wave, so from tomorrow onwards the temperatures will start to rise, particularly Sunday and Monday. They'll spread all the way up to Scotland and probably to Northern Ireland. We'll probably hit 30 at some stage, and then it will cool off a little bit as we get a breeze in from the North Sea. Not a cold breeze, just a cooler breeze, so it's a proper bit of summer. Unfortunately, as I say, for the weekend, this front will be hovering around Scotland and Northern Ireland, keeping cloud always nearby, with the rain always nearby to both capitals. Equally, we should see the sunshine a little more tempered tomorrow. I think in southern England with a lot more cloud to come through, and the temperatures hovering then around about the 25 plus or minus mark. As for Sunday, probably the best of the weekend days for sunshine, the best for sea breezes, and the highest temperatures, 27, 28, I could say 29, but as I say, as yet, Scotland and Northern Ireland haven't joined in. I hope that will happen on Monday when we see just a little chance, but increasing, of thunderstorms breaking out over England and Wales. They'll tend to spread northwards and westwards, and it gets complicated from then on. But for the weekend, why go away when the heat wave is here?